In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Express Video Editor. By the end, you'll know how to open the editor, choose the right format or template, bring in your footage, make clean edits, and finish with a polished preview and download. Start by opening Adobe Express. Once you're on the home screen, look for the video section. It may appear on the main dashboard or in the navigation panel. Click on Video to focus the workspace on moving content. If a search bar is visible, type Video Editor and select the Video Editor option. This takes you into a dedicated editing space designed for quick, streamlined projects. Here, you'll see templates and formats tailored for different types of videos. Templates give you a head start with pre-built scenes, text styles, and pacing, which is great if you want a consistent look without designing from scratch. Formats refer to the size and orientation of your video, like landscape, square, or vertical. Choose a format that fits where you'll post your video: landscape for YouTube or presentations, square for feeds, and vertical for stories and shorts. Picking the right format now helps you avoid awkward cropping later. Select the video format you need, and you'll move into editing. You can upload your own clips from your device or choose stock videos from Adobe Express's built-in library. Stock footage is especially helpful for fillers, transitions, or when you need a specific scene you didn't shoot. Once your clips are in the timeline, start refining. Trim the beginning and end by dragging the clip edges until the action starts and ends exactly where you want. If you need to remove a moment in the middle, split the clip and delete the extra portion, then close the gap. Arrange clips by dragging them into the right order to build your story. Add text overlays for titles or captions, and keep fonts clear and sizes readable on small screens. Consider light transitions to smooth cuts, and adjust audio levels so dialogue is clear and music sits comfortably underneath. Basic color adjustments can help match clips shot in different lighting, giving your video a cohesive look. When you're satisfied, use the preview to watch the full video from start to finish. Look for pacing, spelling, and audio balance, and make small tweaks as needed. Finally, download your video. Save it to your device so it's ready to share wherever you need. That's it. Simple, efficient, and ready to go.